Hello, my name is Michael Fischer, and I wanted to tell you about our competition later today. The competition is to build a boat using only cardboard and duct tape and race it across a pool as fast as possible. For my entry, what I did is I took a giant piece of cardboard and duct taped it, and then sealed the two ends up and created a giant cardboard duct tape envelope. Then what I do is I open the envelope up, and we have a sort of a little shell of a boat now. Now this boat is still a little bit flimsy, but to solve that problem, I've taken cardboard and rolled it up, and this creates a very strong beam that will support the boat. And I put it in here, and then I have another one that I put in here as well. And now I'll tape these two ends so that the boat keeps closed, and I have a boat here that has a wide base and will float. Let me give you a full view of what the boat looks like. Alright, and I'll take some video later and show you how it floats. Yeah, start. Go ahead. Whoa! It's so fast, it's crawling.
Man, you can race Michael Phelps in this thing. Wow, 34 seconds. I think this is a new record.
What's your choice?
44 seconds. Very nice. All right. All right, ready? Set, go. Already. 44 seconds, man. 11 seconds. Oh, he just might beat the world record. Go. Come on, you're close. Oh, that thing's like flying into the water. Seconds, 54 milliseconds. Very nice.